So guys, inside here we have the house. So I'm going to start from here, which is just an alley between the bedroom and the living room, and in between we have a kitchen. So we start from the living room, then we come here, which is the bathroom, then we'll go to the bedroom and see what is inside. In the meantime, let's go to the living room. So guys, as you can see, this is the alley that goes to the living room, and here I have a small storage for shoes, I can say, because we have some few shoes here. I know they're not well arranged. Then I also have another place here I can keep my shoes. Then from that, also have another shoe place there. Then I also have, when I come outside, I can put my shoes or on that, I can say, kind of plastic stuff down there. Here, I have a place where I can hang my jackets, my winter jackets, even my cap or my working bag. I can put it here. And when we move further, we see we have a storage place here. And this storage, I can also use it because it's pretty big and nice for use on keeping small stuffs. So this will be very important. Here I put my board I can use for working out at home. We can use this during some simple workouts, but I don't know. I haven't tried it. I don't know how it will be. So here comes the living room. First, looking at this is the living room. And there we have the dining table. We have a small 3-seater couch, which is convertible. We can convert it to bed, like a sofa bed. So we can use it as sofa, and also we can make it a bed. And this sofa, I bought it from Willhaben. Willhaben is one of the, I think it's the well-known used stuff website in Austria, where people upload some stuff that they want to get rid of. So I found this chair there, and I bought it for 130 euros, and also paying the transportation fee to here. And so I can say totally it costed me 180 euros to buy this 3-seater chair. It is IKEA chair and is pretty in good condition, because this kind of chair, new one, it costs around 500 euros. So by just using 180, I saved some quite a lot of money by buying a used sofa. So here we have this rug, and this rug I bought it at IKEA also, and I think it was one of the cheapest rugs because I didn't have that money to stock up the house with expensive stuff. So what I did, I just bought this to use it in the meantime, and it costed me around 40 euros to buy this new rug. So I just use it to make it a little bit, the house look a little bit presentable. And also that time the floor was a little bit cold, so I wanted something to step on. In front here, I plan to put like kind of like a TV cabinet and put a TV, but I don't think I need it for now. I'm just gonna find a small coffee table and put it here so that I can sit and relax and enjoy my coffee while I'm sitting on my second-hand sofa. So next is this dining table. This dining table, it is an IKEA also product. However, I bought it on Willhaben. On Willhaben, I bought everything at 100 euro. That means the table and also the chairs included. But if you buy this new one from IKEA, it costs around, I know the table alone will be around 250 euros. Then the chair, single chair, maybe I can say it will be around 500 euros to buy the whole set. But I bought it at 100 euros, so I saved around 400 euros just buying it used from Willhaben. So I use this to like for everything. I can use this for eating and having dinner with my friends, and also I can use it for working. You can see I set up my mobile workstation there. I use my workstation for doing like engine combustion simulations. I can do it on my workstation. It's really powerful. So I put it there and I can work also from home. If that is, if I don't want to go to work. And looking at that window, the reason why I put this chair here because looking outside during the day when I'm working is pretty nice, good view outside. So I can sit there and work and enjoy the good view from outside. So this rug here, this one I also bought it new from IKEA, and it was I believe around 50 euros. I think, yeah, 50 euros, because I just needed something here so that if there's water dropping from the kitchen, at least we have some rug here. So I bought it. And now let's look at something that I really like about this house. And one of the things that made me fall in love with this house is the kitchen. Like, the kitchen is just amazing. So first thing, let's start from the refrigerator. This is the refrigerator. It's for one person, I think it's enough, even two people. It's a small refrigerator. It has a small freezer here. You can put a little bit few stuffs there. But I think it's really enough for one person. Yep. And then, so that's the refrigerator. Then we have an oven here, which is just, I just like the positioning, the way this house was designed. The kitchen part is really amazing. The oven is there. And then down here, we have some storage. We can put stuffs here. Then we have other storages here. We can see it's really spacious and big. Then we have here also, can use for keeping some kitchen stuff. Then another thing that really made me love this house a lot is the fact that it has a dishwasher. And having a dishwasher, I can say, is just, I don't know, I don't want to waste my time, washing stuff, living alone. Having a dishwasher is really a lifesaver. So I have a dishwasher here. I can use it to wash my kitchenware and stuff here. And this is just a lifesaver. I don't need to wash my dishes with my hands. I can just put it here. And then, yeah, here we have a storage. I can put my cutlery here and other kitchenware stuff. I can put them here. Yeah, I bought this organization stuff. I don't know the name clearly. From IKEA also. It was few euros. So I bought it so that I can put my stuffs in order. Then here we have another place where I put things I need for kitchen, some things I need for garbage, and a few stuff here. Then finally, we have a big one where I can put my pans. Most of the pans are in the dishwasher, so once they're clean, I wipe them and put them here. So, and as you can see, it's really big space. We have the cooker here, the induction cooker here. And then we have some fuel, oil, cooking oil for cooking there. Then we have the fan, which helps to suction all the smoke outside. Up here we also have more storage. Can put the utensils here. Also here we have more storage, and I think that's all I can show you guys for the kitchen. And honestly, this kitchen makes this house look really amazing, and I really love it. It's just perfect the way it was The design is just perfect. I love it. I don't know what you think. Maybe you can let me know what you think. But for me, I think for the cost that I got for this house, I think this house is just amazing. Once I complete everything and put everything there, I think it's just perfect. So let's move to the bathroom. And I've already talked to you about that. And in the bathroom, we have the toilet. Is the first one. We have a toilet here. I think this one is broken. I have to buy a new one. Then the toilet is here. We have some small wooden stuff where I can put the tissues and like some cleaning detergents there. Then after that, we come to the sink where I can do other stuff there. Then we still have more storages here. Yeah, just storages, have so many storages in the cleaning detergents are here. You can use it there. Then we have this one is for my towels, and then we have some few stuff there, which is more and more storage. And we have a heater here which heats the bathroom. And something else is that the window is pretty big, so we can open and make the bathroom fresh, because outside actually there are just trees, which makes the room a little bit more fresh. Here we have the boiler that heats up the water, all of the water in the house. This space is supposed to have a laundry machine. I haven't gotten one yet. Still thinking whether I should use Willhaben or buy new, but I think I'm just gonna buy a used one and put it here for my laundry. I think that's all I can show you about the bathroom. This is the shower place for shower. You can shower here. I think that's all for the bathroom. So yeah, next we go to the bedroom. Now this is the bedroom, and here, guys, this is where everything goes down. Like, that is the bed, and this is just the entire room. Here we have another heater. It's stuck on the wall, but I think it heats up the house really well. And also I really love those lights, the way they are. They really look beautiful there. This bed, I bought it also from Willhaben. It had the mattress and the bed all included. I bought it at 120 euros. But trust me, believe me, if you buy this in a new one, maybe it would cost you, I think, a lot of money, maybe around 600 to 700 euros. Then I bought the sheets and the new bed covers and mattress covers from IKEA. And I think it cost you quite some money, but not really a lot. I can say altogether it was around maybe 100 euros buying, or 100 or to 200 euros buying all my beddings. And then I bought this light, which my bedside light. I use it also for studying. It's flexible. I can turn this down and up. So I use it for studying, and I can also use it in my bedroom. Like, we have this rug here. The rug, I also bought it from IKEA. I bought it, I think, at 35 euros. Yeah, that was 35 euros. Yeah, I think that's all I can tell you for this. And down here, we have some few storages also. I don't know what is inside. We also have this one. We can store stuffs here. Then, yeah, I think that's all I can show you here. And looking at this side, it makes the room look very cozy. Bed is pretty big, and Yeah, and the room is also the paint, the way the paint on the bed and the paint on the wall, the way they camouflage is just amazing. So moving to the next part, we have that room there. Inside there we have something that I'd like to show you guys. Oh yeah, so here we have a small storage, and here usually I put like dirty cloth down there. I put my workout wears there and some few storages on top. Also here I put some few cloths here, and we have some suitcases. Basically it's just a storage place where I can put some of our extra stuff, and it's pretty big. As you can see, it's really big, and just close it up to make it things tidy. I think it's just amazing. Then we have the bigger closet here, and this closet I use it to for the clothes. I haven't arranged my clothes yet, but as you can see, it's really big for one person. I think it's pretty big. Here we have other storage where we can put the clothes here, and yeah, I think it's just perfect. We also have this window. Outside we have the shutters, which slides up and down and make the black out the whole house. And during the weekend, you can decide to sleep the whole day because the light is not coming in and it feels like it's still nighttime, which I really love a lot, especially after the whole week working so hard, and weekend is just my time to sleep. I just shut everything down and just sleep. And this place is pretty quiet, and there are we don't have a lot of roads nearby, so I really love it. So basically that was my house tour. Tell me what you think. And finally, before I forget, I would like to tell you how much this house costed me. The renting price of this house, guys, you won't believe it. Outside is a little bit it's not old, but as you've seen in the introduction, I rented this house for 420 euros. That is the renting price. If we put the heating cost, which comes to 70 euros per month, and then we have the other additional operational cost, which comes to 120 euros a month, actually 130. So it has 200, and then we have 400 for renting. So I pay 600 and I pay 600 euros for this house, the entire thing. And when I came to this house, it had nothing, so I had to buy everything you've seen here. I just bought it from Willhaben, and then also some more from IKEA. And as you can see, the house is really nice, and I really love it. Guys, tell me what you think. Comment about any ideas you have, what I should do, or what you think about the price, if it's good for this house. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.